Well, Tamil Nadu has kick-started the vaccination campaign for the 18 plus category, 18 to 44. We come to you from a wedding hall in Chennai where the Lions Club of the Chennai Super Kings branch has arranged for this campaign. Around 200 people are waiting here. And this is a great relief for the youngsters in particular. The Tamil Nadu government has classified a few categories as priority categories, to begin with newspaper vendors, people working in groceries, vegetable shops, and also school teachers, college faculty, and a few other categories. And already the state government has dispatched, in fact, 10 lakh vaccines across Tamil Nadu, and the vaccination process is on. A youngster is waiting to take his shots. And already on the other side, a few people have taken the first dose in the 18 plus category. Let's speak to this young lady. Your name?
Rakshata, hi.
How does it feel to take the vaccine?
It's good, it's nothing, it's just for your precaution and safety and all of that. When we can fight the virus, it's a good thing to take, and I think all of them have to come and take the injection and all the shots. They've been following all the protocols like Lions Club with Chennai Super Kings and NGC Charity Trust and Charity.
How do you feel? More confident? You feel like going out casually hereafter?
No, we should not go out until the government is completely alright with that. But I feel confident. I feel like, okay, I'm a little safer now. So
We also have Titus who has taken his first dose. He's a techie. How does it feel?
Yeah, it feels okay for now. So we came on Friday last week, and they've asked us to come today. So as said, we have done the vaccine, and we have not. I'm not the only one who have come, and these are my brothers. The
Okay.
whole family has come.
Okay.
So we were just waiting for this. So I think everyone should have this vaccine before it gets empty. So
Are you worried when you go outside the city? You see a lot of people not following mask norms, not following the physical distancing.
yeah, exactly. Like the thing is, like, it passes from one to another. So it is up to each and every individual person to control the virus. So it's our duty to stop this third wave or fourth wave or whatever it is. So I think we need to follow it.
Will you be freely traveling around now?
Yeah, I would, and I believe that for the kids as well, it's going to come as soon as possible, because, as said, third wave it's going to affect the kids as well. So we have a lot of kids at home. So let's see what happens.
We also have the president of the Lions Club, Mr. Vijay Kumar. Thank you very much. Tell us about how did you organize this?
Oh, first, from the beginning, we are planning to organize this camp for the benefit of the public. So, with the support of the corporation and with the help of the local MLA, Mr. Velu,
How many you plan to vaccinate now?
today we are planning for 150 people, because that is the strength. Because we have to enter the website and then give the details. So, 150
And
people.
are you able to get the vaccines you want, or still there are
It
limitations?
is ration only, sir. The government also is trying their best to ration to the available sources, because there is a lot of demand from the various sources, and they are ward-wise and zone-wise they are rationing and giving, because every place they have to make the use of the persons. No.
Another young lady, have you got yourself vaccinated?
No, I'm one of the organized doctors.
Oh, right, okay.
Yeah, so I'm helping those people.
Okay, fine. Okay. So, a new beginning in Tamil Nadu, and the Tamil Nadu government has already floated an international, a global tender for around 3 crore vaccines. And the state government also, in a letter to the health minister, has been critical, saying that Tamil Nadu has been ignored in terms of supply of vaccines, and the state demands supply of at least 2.5 crore doses every month for 4 months to be able to vaccinate the 18 plus category, which the government calls them as the most vulnerable. In Chennai with Shah Vijay, Sam Daniel, Find TV.